The Dutch Ministry of Defense has made a significant move by ordering Rheinmetall Skyranger air defense systems, with the contract potentially reaching up to €1 billion. This order highlights the increasing demand for advanced air defense capabilities in Europe, with deliveries expected to commence in 2028. Such a substantial investment underscores the strategic importance placed on enhancing national defense systems amid evolving global threats. In the United States, Northrop Grumman has secured a USD $200 million contract from the U.S. Army to supply counter-unmanned aerial systems, C-UAS ammunition. This contract aims to bolster short-range air defense capabilities, reflecting the growing focus on countering drone threats. The deal is part of a broader effort to enhance the U.S. military's ability to neutralize small unmanned aerial systems, which are increasingly used in modern warfare. Meanwhile, in Australia, Leidos has demonstrated a new counter-drone capability for the Australian Defence Force. This technology integrates advanced sensors and effectors to effectively neutralize small drones, showcasing the importance of innovation in maintaining airspace security. The demonstration highlights the ongoing efforts to adapt to the evolving nature of aerial threats, ensuring that defense forces remain equipped with cutting-edge technology. Lockheed Martin and Microsoft have announced a collaboration to develop next-generation counter-UAS technologies. This partnership aims to address the growing sophistication of drone threats by combining Lockheed Martin's defense expertise with Microsoft's technological prowess. The collaboration signifies a strategic move towards integrating advanced software solutions into defense systems, enhancing their adaptability and effectiveness. In Asia, China's Jiutian drone has completed its first flight, showcasing its capability to act as a mothership for drone swarms. This development signals a shift towards swarm warfare capabilities, which could alter the dynamics of military engagements. The ability to deploy multiple drones simultaneously from a single platform presents new tactical opportunities and challenges for global military forces. Turning to the markets, Rheinmetall, ticker symbol RHMDE, saw its stock price decrease by 3.03% to $1,567 following the announcement of the Skyranger order. Despite the drop, the new order is expected to bolster the company's long-term growth prospects, as it reinforces Rheinmetall's position in the European defense market and highlights its role in modernizing air defense systems. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, experienced a 1.13% increase in its stock price to $480.25, driven by its collaboration with Microsoft on counter-UAS technologies. This partnership is anticipated to enhance Lockheed Martin's technological edge in the defense sector, potentially leading to further contract opportunities as the demand for advanced drone countermeasures grows. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, saw its stock rise by 1.74% to $569.76, buoyed by the $200 million C-UAS ammunition contract. This contract not only strengthens Northrop Grumman's position in the defense market, but also underscores its capability to deliver critical solutions for modern military challenges, particularly in the realm of drone defense. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, faced a 2.12% decline in its stock price to $183.57, influenced by the broader market's focus on AI autonomy. The ongoing debate over AI's role in defense systems presents both opportunities and challenges for companies like Palantir, which are at the forefront of developing AI-driven solutions for military applications. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a significant drop of 4.30% to $239, reflecting market concerns over the push for AI autonomy. As the defense sector grapples with integrating AI into its operations, companies heavily invested in autonomous technologies may face volatility as they navigate regulatory and operational hurdles. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, saw its stock price fall by 7.08% to $129.24, amid sector-wide pressures related to AI autonomy. The company's exposure to the defense sector means it must adapt to the shifting landscape, where AI plays an increasingly central role in operational strategies. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, also saw a decline of 3.58% to $75.96. The company is closely watched for its potential to break out as it continues to develop technologies that could benefit from the defense sector's pivot towards AI-driven solutions. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Watch Rheinmetall for long-term growth from the Skyranger order. 2. Lockheed Martin's tech partnership with Microsoft could lead to new contracts. 3. Monitor AI autonomy debates impacting defense stocks like Palantir and AeroVironment.